Hi everybody, thanks for joining me on this short training video on VDL Charts. This is Majid Bazrafshan and I'm a member of FICO Xpress optimization team. In previous video we learned about VDL forms and tables and how you can create several custom views with VDL. In this video I will be showing you how you can create reporting charts and graphs with VDL Charts. The purpose of this talk is not a very thorough VDL chart course, but the basics needed for a user to hit the ground running. I would like to start by showing you where you can find user guide and documentations on creating custom views with VDL Charts. The documentation on VDL Charts can be found in the PDF file called Xpress Insight Developer's Guide section creating custom views with VDL Charts under Docs Insight folder in your Xpress installation directory. As you know, creating chart with VDL Chart is an optional part of the fourth step in creating Insight applications. VDL charts are defined in VDL files that sit inside the client resources subdirectory of the application. VDL Charts is a powerful data visualization feature offering a lightweight alternative to Tableau charts. VDL Charts use the VDL Chart tag and enable you to embed charts within conventional VDL views. Chart data can originate as scripted data, or it can be retrieved from model entities. The range of supported chart types is bar, stack bar, line, scatter, and pie chart. It is straightforward to create VDL chart. The significant tags are VDL chart, the container element for all charts. You can set a title for the chart with the title attribute. The tag VDL chart axis allows you to define X and Y axis for your chart via the axis attribute, to give your axis titles via the title attribute, and to specify the axis type with the type attribute. And finally, VDL chart series tag. You can use one of these elements for each independent set of data you wish plotted on a chart. The only exception to using multiple VDL chart series elements in a chart is with pie chart, where only one such element is permitted. Now, let's look at our example. The entities that I'm going to use for the VDL chart that I'm going to create is the depot shipping cost, which is an array of depot segments. In my VDL file, as you can see, I have two sections. In the first section, I have a pie example, and in the second section, I'm using the same entity to have a bar chart. In my fixed example, I have a VDL chart tag which contains a VDL chart series that specifies the type to be pie and the entity. In the second section, I have a VDL chart that contains VDL chart axis Y with the title cost and the axis X to be titled with fulfillment center, and I am showing the entity in the bar format. So now after publishing this, let's look at our example in Xpress Insight. After we go to our Xpress Insight, we can see that in my first chart, I have a pie example that I can hover on. And in the second example, as you can see, I have a bar chart that I can see the total cost for each warehouse or depot. If you are interested in learning more about VDL charts, I would recommend you to going to VDL language, the zip file that I've shown you in the past, and go to examples in the chart section. There you can find several basic examples and more advanced examples of how you can create different visualizations with VDL charts. In next video, we will be talking about Tableau connection and how you can create custom views and reporting dashboards with Tableau.